How to fix Instagram next story freezing problem. So, first of all, open your Instagram app and I'm going to open any story. So, suppose this story is freezing. So, the quick workaround are like tap the message or comment section. When the story freezes, tap on the message or comment icon at the bottom of the screen. Then dismiss keyboard. The keyboard should appear. Tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss it. Then resume viewing. Tap on the story again to continue to the next post. If these are not working, then follow these general troubleshooting steps. First of all, restart your phone. A simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches. Open Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update if an update button is available. Then clear app cache. Clearing the app's cache can resolve performance issue. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Instagram from the list. Tap on it. Tap on storage, then clear cache. Then check internet connection. A poor internet connection can cause freezing. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or connecting to a different network. If the issue continues, uninstalling and then reinstalling Instagram can provide a fresh installation. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe this channel.